Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're talking about the one and only Nervos Network. That's right, folks. I am back from Thailand, and it was a wonderful trip. We are now back on the set here in good old Minnesota, and so we are going to be talking first and foremost about CK Bull Wallet. Now, I like CK Bull Wallet. Seems like a decent wallet to kind of move your CKB around in, but they've got an update coming. Prepare for a new user interface, tokens, NFTs, more languages, and a boost in performance. So this is all good stuff that we like to see. We like to make sure that the developers and things like that are staying on top of the CK Bull wallet because it really is a great wallet. Tweet out of Nervos Network. Nervos Network is the forefront of blockchain innovation. It was the first to deploy an optimistic roll-up framework on top of a non-EVM chain. In doing so, it offers the benefits of the account model at Godwoken Rises and the EUTXO CKB in one network. Now, speaking of Godwoken Rises, I did get a chance over the last week to speak with somebody at Godwoken Rises, and I am super bullish on what they've got coming just around the corner. So stay tuned for that. They got some big stuff coming. Tweet out of Binance. Binance Futures will launch USDM CKB perpetual contracts with up to 20x leverage, folks. Now, I'm not a big, leverage trader. I don't necessarily like to use leverage because I don't like to play with money that I can't afford to lose, things like that. Even on my TD Ameritrade account, they wanted me to trade. They offered me like a six-figure opportunity to, use six figures of leverage trading. And I politely declined TD Ameritrade, and I told them to take that off my account. It is what it is. I'm not a leverage trader. I don't enjoy leverage trading. It just messes with my mind too much. But if you want to long and short the market, I would recommend not doing it at 20x leverage. It is what it is, though. People are going to do what they do. Man. So, Yokai Swap, folks. We haven't checked out Yokai Swap in a while. But you know what? The price has gone lower than CKB. So, for the longest time, Yokai Swap was leading CKB in price. And now it appears that Yokai Swap has found maybe a little bit of a floor at 0.0034-ish. So it is what it is. I just wish I had a better chart to really play with when it comes down to Yoke. We've got this Aave.ai chart, and who knows how accurate this thing is. But like you can see from this doodle, I do think that there might be another downtrend in Yoke price. And I do think that there is a ABC corrective wave here. There might be a DE corrective wave that fills out. Symmetrical triangle right now off a bear leg. It's oftentimes a suggestion that the price action will continue. But I'm looking for this thing right around 0.00311-ish cents, maybe, to pick up a little bit. So, I mean, it's just one of those things. I'm not going head over heels into Yoke, but I do love the exchange. And I wish that, Yokai Swap, I wish that more people would use it, and it would be nice to see some liquidity, more liquidity in it. I know it's the middle of a bear market, but, hopefully once the bull market kicks in, some more liquidity will come in and drive that price up. Folks, if you're looking to engage with Nervos Network community, the CKB heads, check them out at Nervos Nation. This is a great little onboarding point into the community. They've got a great little Telegram group that you can join, ask questions, learn about Nervos Network, and share passion, so on and so forth. But we got CKB. Let's see, where is it here on the crypto bubbles? As you guys can see, it's like a 50-50 mixed bag right now. So where in the heck is it? I'm having a hard time finding it. We'll just go CKB. It's at rank 181, folks. 181. So we are seeing CKB really kind of move up the charts. It's still up 40% on the month. It's up 2.4% on the week. Let's just check out the charts here. And in an earlier video that I was doing in Thailand, I was saying to everyone, hey, you guys, really check out this potential setup pattern for this harmonic. And really, when I was kind of warning people about this, you can see where the price was. So the price was right about in here. And I was kind of telling people that, hey, we're going to see this thing at least come down to around this 200 moving average. It looks like the 4-hour chart. So what did price do? Well, it came right down to around this 200 moving average. We were off about, I don't know, 1/10 of a cent or something like that, if that. But you know, this is an interesting setup in what we're seeing right now. So we had the bullish Gartley or the bullish butterfly, whatever it was, come through. But now we are kind of seeing a little bit of resistance along this upper trend line here. And I do think that we are seeing some nice upward momentum of the price. Now, I do think that this could be maybe setting up to take off again. We're seeing kind of like this ascending triangle. We got a nice touch point here, here, maybe here, and you know, again up here. But these lows just kind of keep getting higher. So I do think that maybe, just maybe, we might see this price, and I'm really, really looking for maybe some sort of inverse head and shoulders, or maybe even at this point, some sort of cup and handle to take this price upward, something like this. On the 4-hour chart, this would be ideal, and we could get this inverse head and shoulders, you know, maybe something like this to occur, which would be epic, because then we would see this price start skyrocketing. Let's look at CKB on the daily chart and just kind of really analyze at a super high level what's going on. Well, we've got a very nice bull flagpole, and there is this symmetrical triangle squeeze that is occurring. We know this because we can draw it out on our charts. So, man, this is kind of like one of those things. I hate to try to even call which direction this is going to go because this price is just so far from this Ichimoku cloud. I mean, on this daily, yeah, the price can spike upwards, but I'd feel a lot better if this price action was kind of located up here. You know, let's just look at this on the 12-hour chart as well to really see what's going on. I mean, man, yeah, this is we're gonna have to just sit here and wait another day before I do think that within the next day or two we are gonna see price action decide which way it's gonna move. It's just this 50-50 chance right now. I feel like there's really not a clear, you know, pattern or strategy, to me at least, that would suggest one way or another more dominantly. So we'll keep our eyes on the charts here. We'll crank out another CKB video tomorrow, and we're just kind of in this middle ground trading sideways for the last day or two. So check out these videos at the end screens. We'll see you guys all on the next video.